Parmesan risotto is the comfort food you didn't know you needed in your life. The slight sharpness of the Parmesan cheese balances with the creaminess of the Arborio rice. This side dish is good enough to be the main event. You just need a bowl and a fork. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. In a saucepan over medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and saute the diced onion until translucent. Make sure that you give it a stir. Add garlic and give it a quick stir, and then the arborio rice and toss to coat. Cook it for about 2 minutes. Reduce the heat about to 3 or 4 on your dial and stir in the water. Heat the chicken stock or chicken bone broth in the microwave. Cover with a plastic wrap or foil to keep it warm. Add the warm broth 1 1/3 cup at a time, stirring constantly and allowing the liquid to absorb between additions. It's about 4 to 6 minutes per round is what my average came out to be. Cook until the risotto is creamy and the rice is al dente, for about 15 to 20 minutes. When the last of the broth is almost absorbed, add the salt and the fresh ground black pepper. Then add the Parmesan cheese, turn off the heat, and give it a good stir. Let the rest of the broth bubble out and you're ready to serve. Garnish with scallions and serve immediately. Parmesan risotto is so creamy and full of flavor, it'll be hard not to crave it every night of the week. It might need a little babysitting, but the effort is more than worth it. Pair it with your favorite protein or veggies for an unforgettable meal. For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Until then, here are a few more videos for you. Don't forget to give a thumbs up.